welcome to Learn with Fun channel. Today we have an interesting concept for you. That is thumb painting. And for making images we use watercolors, and kids love watercolors so much. So are you ready to make sketches with me? Come with me.
Let's start joyful and colorful painting with thumb impression. Take blank sheet and make a thumb impression of red color like this. Now take another sheet and make a thumb impression of red color again like this. And finger impression yellow color like this. Now take another sheet and make thumb impression of yellow color again. And make one more finger impression on top of thumb impression. Now take another blank sheet for making thumb impression of blue color. Now take another blank sheet for making thumb impression of green color like this. Now take another blank paper for making fingerprint of which green color and pink color and again pink color. Now take another blank sheet. We use green color on it and make finger impression like this. Now take another blank sheet and make fingerprint of red color and also use yellow color on it like this. Like this. Now we complete our thumb impression and finger impression on it. Let's start sketching. Tell me kids, what you have shown in picture? This is frog. Frog. Now another sketch. Now tell me kids, what is this? This is your favorite ice cream. ICECREME. Now make another sketch. Which is what do you see? This is bird. Very good. This is bird. BIRD, bird. Now take another thumb impression. Make sketch on it. What do you see, kids? It's a ladybug. Very nice. How beautiful it is. Take another impression and sketch on it. What do you see, kids? It's look like monkey. Naughty monkey. MONKEY. Which is look like flower. Very nice. It's a flower. Do you like it, kids? FLOWER, flower. Now take another impression of blue color. Do you know what shape is this? It's a fish. FISH. Now take another impression. It's look like very yummy grapes. Do you like it, kids? GRAPES.